Next part I would like to cover is target group templates. You have the possibility to work with target group templates which Dynata has already provided for you, and these are the NatRep census templates for every single country. These consist of age, gender, and region, as well as you're able to set up your own templates and save them. Let's go for this example into our test project again. We're setting up in the respondents part another country with a new target group. Let's set up Australia. Selecting Australia, it automatically selects English. Here's also just English available. We use the same 10 minutes, 500 completes, 80%, 5 days, standard. Save define. And now have set up the basic settings for this target group. You can also see here, Australia has already been added and is in a draft mode, same as the other ones. So let's say I just want to set up a census NatRep template for this target group. What I'm doing is I'm going to the target group attributes and have at the very first option templates. Templates will always be toggled in. You can use it by simply clicking on it, toggling it up, and we can see here straight away census web. Clicking on this will automatically add age, region, and gender. And it automatically takes the percentages from the NatRep percentages, which Dynata would use on a PM Manage project as well. In case I have already something within my target group and I select one of my templates, it will always ask you if you want to override what you have already set up. If I would, for this example, just click the census wrap again, we get this pop-up, template versus existing attributes. When adding a template, existing attributes will be removed automatically. Are you sure you want to add the template? I'm just going to use the template and have the same thing again. The targeting templates are available for every country. Now let's get to the next step. How do I create my own templates and use my own templates? Using your own template is very easy. You set up all the targeting attributes with the allocation or filters which you need. And then you scroll to the bottom of your target group and you can see there's a Save as a Template button. For this one, as this is a NatRep, we're just going to add that people are homeowners and people who own a car. Save. Now we got age, car ownership, region, gender, and that people need to own a house included. Now we click on the Save as a Template and a new pop-up shows up. Within this new pop-up, we can already see Save as a Template. It will show us what is part of this template. We have 3 allocation parameters, which is region, gender, and age. And we have 2 filters set up, own or rent and auto vehicle own lease. I can give this any name I would like. Test template AU. Can add a description. Save. And now the next time I want to set up Australia, I would have that template available. Let's for that purpose delete some of our parameters, just so that we can see that the new template is being taken over. So now we have reduced the targeting attributes to region, to gender, and own rent. Clicking into the targeting attributes template, and here we can already see test template AU has been added. Click on this one, overwrite the old one, and we can see now we're back to age, car ownership, region, gender, and that somebody owns a house or flat. You can add as many templates as you would like. There is no limit. The 2 things to take into account though is templates are available on a per country basis. So if I set up a template for Australia, this template will also just be available and being selectable if I set the country Australia up. If I do set something up in Austria, in the UK, or in the US, I will not be able to select that template. The templates are available for your whole company. So in case you do set up a template, keep in mind to put a description in, which makes it also easy distinguishable for your colleagues. And if for whatever reason you don't need those templates anymore, you can simply go into the targeting attributes templates and delete it. The only templates which you will not be able to delete are the Sensors Web templates which Dynata provides for you. So this was an intro on how to use templates, and especially if you run something every month, every week, and you always have the same target group attributes set up with the same allocations, and these are not Sensors Web, it makes it easier for you and saves a lot of time using these templates and constantly run your studies with these templates. Let's go back to our dashboard. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we hope you found this video series helpful. Please reach out to us in case of any questions, and be sure to ask Dynata for end-to-end help with your research and audience needs.